Rocket isn't awesome. They hear. Well, I can't do anything about it. Are you burning that hole in the wall again? Let me check. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Since God vacation, I gotta do this myself. It's kind of fun when you first start it. I can't believe it's been 3 weeks. Almost a month. Well, Gubbo, it's probably been like a month even. Yeah. Well, we're gonna go save him. Right, guys? Yeah. What's coming? Link. What to do? Ah! Fraggles! Ah! Ah! What's going on here? I have no idea. Why won't we talk to... Okay, calm down. Fine. I know it's been like weeks since Uncle Matt did a post card. Yeah, we're not careful enough. We're all gonna die out here. No, we're not. Trust me, you'll be fine. It's kind of weird looking at space, isn't it? Yeah, Wembley it is. Here we go. Oh, nice press the head of it. No, Fraggle, no. Take care of Matt for me. No! Pat me. You're not gonna run away either. You okay, Goo? Yeah, but Matt's probably gone. No. Well, but I could find him. Yeah. Help! Really? I'm alright.